you know this word, but your textbook probably didn't teach you the one secret rule for when not to use it. In the next 3 minutes, you will learn why you sometimes sound like a Facebook and the real natural greetings native speakers use with friends. First, we'll quickly cover the real rule for ni hao so you never doubt yourself again. Then, I'll show you four better ways to greet friends and finally, how to use them in real life. Ni hao is not wrong. It's your polite all purpose key. It's perfect for strangers, shops, formal situations, and elders. Think of it as a respectful handshake. It's always safe and shows respect. But with friends, people you know, level up with these. 最近怎么样? It's a greeting, not a deep probe. It's like how's it going in English. 最近怎么样 is often a rhetorical, friendly greeting. The expected answer is usually brief and positive.
嘿，小明，最近怎么样？
还不错，挺好的。你呢？老样子。
This is the most classic use. Neither of you is stopping for a conversation.
吃了吗？
吃了吃了，你呢？
也吃了。回头聊。
Think of the whole conversation as how are you? Good. You? Good. See ya. Hi is a direct loan word from English hi. It's useful, casual, and carries zero formality. This word is not for strangers. Hi is super casual. In Western culture, you might say hi to anyone, but in Chinese, save this hi for people you are already friendly with. For someone you are meeting for the first time, stick with the safe and respectful ni hao or nin hao. If you use hi with someone you are meeting for the first time, especially if there's an age or status difference, it can come across as a bit disrespectful. So, to recap, use ni hao for polite situations and switch to 最近怎么样?吃了吗? or hi with friends to instantly sound more natural. If you learned something new in these 3 minutes, then subscribe for more lessons that help you speak real everyday Chinese. 再见。